Wave 1 unboxing. Hi! Thank you for inviting Emerge Home into your home. The Emerge Home experience begins with the Emerge Wave 1. Open the shipping box. You'll find an envelope in the inner flap. You'll need this later. Take out and open the product box. You can save this for storage. You'll find a welcome message and setup guide. Use the side handles to slowly lift the Wave 1. Gently remove each handle with one hand beneath the device. Find the power cable at the bottom of the product box. Remove the plastic cover. Wave 1 setup. Place on a tabletop and face the Emerge logo towards you. Plug the Wave 1 into power. Press down on the square power button for at least 2 seconds. You'll see the Emerge logo light up. Wave 1 pairing. Download the Emerge Home mobile app. We'll use the Emerge Home mobile app to pair the Wave 1 device and Quest 2 app. Connect to Wi-Fi. Select Wave 1 in the home screen. Scan the QR code at the bottom of the Wave 1 device. You can use the mobile app to test tactility. Hover your bare hand over the device to test. Quest 2 setup. Use the audio tape in the envelope to prepare your Quest 2 for ultrasound. The tape is a temporary solution to audio interference. Product updates in the near future will not require audio tape. Peel 2 pieces and press 1 over each mic hole. Quest 2 pairing. Put on your headset, find Emerge Home in the Oculus app library. You should have already been added to the Quest 2 app. Use the Emerge Home mobile app to pair the Quest 2 app and Wave 1 device. Select Oculus in the home screen. You'll be asked to enter a 6-digit code from the Quest 2 app. Check to see if both devices have a green status button in the mobile app home screen. Make sure your hand tracking is enabled in your Oculus settings. Follow the calibration instructions. This will be the only time you'll need the controllers. Emerge Home. With both devices connected, you're now ready for the Emerge Home experience. Use the Emerge Home mobile app to create inner circles, where you can invite up to 7 people to connect in the Quest 2 app. We value privacy and safety, so you can only connect with people you invite and vice versa. We're excited for you to go beyond the screen with Emerge Home. Gather, interact, and play games you can see, hear, and feel. Emerge Home. Feel connected.